It is. So for that reason is digesting occurred here. But what about if I have asked 2 levels of transitivity? Take careful and let us call it. I will say, basically, I will say here, is eating, not a frog, I will say stroke. Okay? Enter, it then tells you false, but that's true. You could simply conclude it. Why? Because there is no any 2-level transitivity. You could simply write it by adding a new W in the same format. You could type, I will just copy it to save the time, guys. So I could say X just ate Z and Z just ate W, and then W capital it has to be, and then I will repeat this back again. I will say it here, 2-level transitivity between the W and Y. So basically, after I'm gonna save this true, and I will invoke this program back again, and then I will say is digesting, stroke, blood, John, full stop, it will tell you, because I misspelled. Okay. So let's copy it from here, guys. Just digesting, stork with blood of John. And just, okay, copy. Just digesting, stork. I misspelled the R and O, if you noticed. Blood, John, full stop, enter. True, and that's true. But what about if there exists 100 intermediate variable? Will you repeat defining many intermediate variable, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? That's ridiculous. So what do you have to do? You have to just write it in recursive format. By writing is digesting, X is digesting Y if X just ate Z, and then I will recall back again the function is digesting between Z, capital Z, and capital Y. Then I'm gonna say full stop, and let us delete the 2-level transitivity here. Okay, and I will save it. Save. Let's take a look here. Invoke it back again. Everything is perfect, compiled. And then I'm gonna say is digesting between stork and blood of John. Full stop. Aha, there is an error in the syntax. Okay, no problem, we will fix it. Everything happens. So X and Y just ate, X is just ate Z, and then is digesting Z, Y. Digesting Z, Y, just ate X, Z. Okay, full stop. It has to be true. Let me check back again here what I have there written. Okay, that's true. But let me, I don't want to figure out where is the mistyping exists. So I would have preferred just to paste it like that. I think that's true, is digesting, and is digesting. Everything is perfect. Okay. Then I will say, okay, save. Okay. Let me recall it back again. Okay, compiled, perfect. Right now, let's say, is digesting stored blood on true. Perfect. See? So, what's happened actually? It goes sequentially searching these. It unified stroke to X and Y to blood John. There is no any fact, so this cannot be used. What it has done, it used the second one, where X unified to stroke and Y John's blood. This gonna generate two sequences using intermediate variable Z. So, stroke just ate Z and Z just ate John's blood. So, the unification between frog and Z will be occurred due to satisfying this fact. And then calling of frog just ate John's blood is false. False and true, false. So this rule failed to define the two-step transitivity. Now, in a recursive format, what's happening actually? What was happening is the following. That X has been unified with frog,